Hi and welcome back to the channel where you join me in the back of my Tesla Model 3. Now as you can see, I chose the white interior. A bold choice I know, but I still really like it. However, for whatever reason, while the seats are white, both front and back, the armrests stayed black and the backs of the seats also stay black, which I think is a little bit odd. So today, thank you to my friends at Topabyte. Please click up there to learn more about their website and all their products. They have sent me white seat back covers for the front seats, so when you sat in the back, it will look continuous and you've got white all the way through. And unlike these silly springy pockets that you get on the car at the moment, these have actual pockets. So stay with me, let's install it, let's see how it looks. Okay, so we'll kick straight off. So we've got the two items, and if you unfold it, you can see on the GoPro behind me, you've got these plastic clips here that then will hold it in place, and then metal hooks on the bottom that I guess must go under the seat and probably hook onto maybe one of the metal rods that's going across. So this should, in theory, be an absolutely straightforward installation. Colour-wise, that looks pretty comparable. I'm quite happy with that. That's quite similar. Okay, so let's try and get in the gap. That's easy enough. So we get in the gap on that side, and then try and just feed that all the way across. It is just a case of just having the courage to have a bit of a push and a pull just to make sure you can get into that gap. And there's definitely easy enough access to get your finger in, so therefore there's definitely easy enough access to get the seat cover in. So there we go, we get that straight, and then we've got these side bits which go right round the side of the seat like so, and that's in. So let's pull that a bit tighter so we've not got that gap there. That's okay. And then do the same thing on that side, so I can reach into the gap and just push the plastic in so it's nice and secure. There we go. So yeah, that's nice and neat. There's another plastic clip on the side, so realistically we're going to have to move this seat back to be able to access it. So let me just jump in the front and then I'll move the seat back, so it should give us access to the sides. Okay, so what I've done is I've put the seat further back, but I've also raised it, which means I can just about reach around the side and clip that on. So that's done, that's good. We've still got that gap up there, so if we just pull this a bit tighter down, we should be able to eliminate those gaps. That's it. And then that fits perfectly around the bottom, and it fits nicely around the plastic base at the bottom. There's your proper pocket. And then underneath, okay, so I've hooked onto a piece of plastic. There are wires down there as well, so be really careful obviously not to hook onto a wire. But if I go down with that one, hook onto the same piece of plastic. There we go. That's it. There's your white seat back. I think you pull it up a little bit, you'll get rid of those creases. That looks really neat actually. I like that, and the colour match is good. And I guess in a way, although obviously it's going to potentially get easier marked than the black that it's covering, at the same time, it's also protecting the black that it's covering. So you can have the nice continuous white upholstery all the way through. And if it gets dirty, take it out, give it a clean, put it back in. With a proper pocket. I like that. That does make the world of difference. Cool. I'll pop the second one on and then we can look at them as a set. And with that, both covers are installed. I actually found it easier on the passenger side to put the seat all the way forward because it allowed me to get my fingers into where the black plastic clips go. Plus, obviously, it's much easier to hook underneath. And the great thing, of course, now in a 2024 onwards Model 3 is I've got the screen in the back. So I can now then go onto seats, and I can push the button and put the seat back where it belongs, albeit it's tilting quite a lot. Yeah, maybe not. I think I'll maybe adjust that from the front. But either way, the covers do the job. I like them. They colour match really well. The quality feels very, very similar, the material. It's probably a little bit more rugged, but on the back of a seat, that's probably what you want. So no, I like those. I think they're a really nice alternative to kind of get that continuity on the inside of the car. Now I guess it's just covering the armrest, but I I don't mind it in black, I guess. It just looks odd that everything else is white. But anyway, huge thank you to Topabyte for sponsoring today's video and providing these seat backs. I like them. I think they're a worthwhile addition if you have a white car and you just want a little bit of continuity on your trim. Look forward to seeing you on future videos when I will be reviewing yet more products, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.